Hi, I am Vinci Varghese from University College of Engineering, Nagarkoil. The name of our venture is Shepherd. Shepherd is a mentoring program for students. The problem we identified was unemployment, and the solution is giving proper guidance for the students from the school level itself. From the school level itself, we must help students understand what their interest is, what are the career options that suits their interest, and things like that. So, if a mentor is there, they can individually access the students and help them choose a better career option, and later on, they don't have to suffer because of unemployment, job dissatisfaction, and things like that. So, that's all about our program. And finally, I would like to end up saying the famous quote of Benjamin Disraeli: the greatest good that you can do to another is not to share your riches, but to help him reveal his own. Thank you.